Hi everyone, bonjour from Montreal. I'm Dr. Nastya Petkova, a family dentist with 20 years of experience. Today I will talk about something very interesting. What your dentist wishes that everyone knows about healthy teeth. Interesting topic, and I also have a question about this and I was thinking about. And this is what I find interesting as a dentist with 20 years of experience. What I wish that my clients know. First of all, that the prevention is always the best than the treatment. Also, the second thing is that brushing harder doesn't mean that it's a good technique and it's mean better. I often see patients that brush really hard and they just damage their teeth and their enamel surface, and after that we have a lot of restoration works to be done. The third thing is that your toothbrush cannot reach all the spaces in your mouth, and you need, in addition to the toothbrush, to use a tooth floss, a dental floss, or a water pick, which is a dental, what we say, the water irrigator, or to use a small brushes that you can go and clean between your teeth. The other thing that you need to know is that it's very important if you feel that something going on in your mouth, or it hurts, or you feel some kind of discomfort, is not to wait and just to go and consult, because sometimes it's a small cavity that in the beginning hurts a little bit, then it passes time and you forget, but at the end that you finally go to the dentist and you discover that there is a big hole that needs to be treated, a big cavity that become too very expensive to treat, or to have more complications related to this. So, and the other thing which I consider very important is if you have a bleeding gums and you see when you brush your teeth that your gums are bleeding, it's not normal. If you understand that this is the way of your body to show you that something is not going well. Your gums, even is bleeding, they're part of your body, and this is your body language to say, please go and check what is going on. The gum disease are something very spread, and we call the silent disease because the damages come years later when you start to lose a lot of teeth. But it's proven that gum disease affects your whole body, and it's related to the chronic diseases like high blood pressure, like diabetics, like Alzheimer's disease. So if you have bleeding gums, go and check with your dentist. Investigate what is related to and what you need to take care of. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe and share. I will be more than happy to continue educate you on important topics about healthy teeth. Thank you very much, and au revoir from Montreal.